Welcome to Green Country LK, where we bring you closer to nature with practical tips and fascinating stories. In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about growing tomatoes, one of the most popular and rewarding crops for gardeners and farmers alike. Whether you're planting in a backyard garden or on a larger scale, this guide will ensure you grow healthy, delicious tomatoes. Step 1. Starting with seeds. Growing tomatoes from seeds gives you more variety and control over the plant's quality. Begin by selecting a variety suited to your climate. Popular options include cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, and beefsteak tomatoes. Start seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. Use seed trays or small pots filled with nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and place the trays in a sunny spot or under grow lights. In about 5 to 10 days, you'll notice the seeds sprouting. Once the seedlings develop 2 sets of true leaves, they're ready to be transplanted into larger pots. Step 2. Preparing the planting site. Tomatoes thrive in full sun, so choose a location that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. The soil should be rich in organic matter and have a slightly acidic pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Adding compost or well-rotted manure to the soil will provide the nutrients tomatoes need to grow strong and healthy. Step 3. Transplanting seedlings. Once the danger of frost has passed, it's time to move your seedlings outdoors. An educational visual showing a young tomato seedling with 2 true leaves, ready for planting in the soil. This stage marks the perfect time to transplant your tomato plants for optimal growth. Space them about 18 to 24 inches apart in rows that are 3 feet apart. Plant the seedlings deep, burying 2/3 of the stem in the soil. This encourages the plant to develop a stronger root system. Supporting your tomato plants is essential to their health and productivity. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep plants upright as they grow. This prevents stems from breaking under the weight of the fruit and keeps tomatoes off the ground, reducing the risk of disease and pests. Proper support also improves airflow and makes harvesting easier, ensuring a healthier plant and a more abundant harvest. Watering is key to growing great tomatoes. Water deeply and consistently, aiming for about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. It's best to water in the morning to allow the plants to dry out during the day, which helps prevent fungal diseases. Avoid wetting the leaves, as this can lead to blight and other issues. Pruning and maintenance are also important. Remove the lower leaves of the plant as it grows to improve airflow and reduce the risk of disease. Pinch off small shoots, known as suckers, that grow between the main stem and branches. This directs the plant's energy toward fruit production. Tomatoes are self-pollinating, meaning they don't need insects to produce fruit. However, giving the plants a gentle shake can help distribute pollen and encourage fruit set. Pest control is essential for a healthy crop. Common tomato pests include aphids, whiteflies, and tomato hornworms. Use natural solutions like neem oil, companion planting with marigolds, or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs to keep pests in check. After about 60 to 80 days, your hard work will pay off. When the tomatoes are firm and fully colored, they're ready to be harvested. Gently twist or cut them off the vine to avoid damaging the plant. Tomatoes are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. From fresh salads to homemade sauces, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this journey of tomato cultivation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Green Country LK for more tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!